Alright, here we go. We got the Barnes Vor-Tx 300 blackout. These are 110 grain. We're doing the flower power today at about 50 yards. That's with the bag of flour and the 2x6 behind it to see what it does to that board after it does the expansion in the flour. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, doing the Barnes Vor-Tx 300 blackout. Doing the flower power. Got the flour 2x6 and see what it does to the 2x6 after the expansion, and check out the bullet hopefully. Alright, we got the going in, coming out, not too bad. And then we got the board. There we go, flower power. We do not have complete penetration of this. We'll get this back to the table, take a look, and see how it is. Alright, here we go. This is flower power, going through the flour, the Barnes Vor-Tx 300 blackout in 110 grain. Went through the flour. This was our entry. See if I can piece it back together as well as I can. Probably not, it's all falling apart now, but as you can see, there's the hole right there. Give you a rough guess. Again, this is not science, exact science. A half-inch hole, a little over a half-inch hole. And as you see, the devastation that it did do going in, pushing, we have the bullet lodged like so. A little bit of the tape around it opened up, definitely flattened out a lot. We have on here .63. Do it from another side, 6.2, so it's opening up pretty even top to bottom. 0.4 is what's left. Let's see, out of the weight, what do we got? Oops. Yeah, we'll call it 109. Right there on the grain, so that ain't bad. So it went from that to that in the flower power, which is the flour, you know, the 2x4 afterwards. See what we're getting on the 2x4 is actually what I'm looking at. So, yeah. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching.